They're done. Oh geez. Right off the rip of the video, get a little cold start going, why not? Anyways, what's going on YouTube? How's it going? So today, it's a very short, very stupid video, but damn, it is definitely kind of cold. But anyhow, we got a local CNC shop cut us some stainless steel stuff for the truck. So we are currently on the way to go pick that up, and I'll be with you guys in a minute. Alrighty, look what we got. So what this is it goes directly underneath my wheel well, or in the rear wheel well. Obviously it's going to get painted. Right now it's kind of just rough, but that is because it is just bare metal. Oh, much better. Okay, so we're going to get these painted up. Probably I might just leave them steel, but I'm not too sure what I want to do. But it's going to be probably like a week or so for me, but for you guys it'll be 2 seconds. So I'll decide what I want to do in that amount of time, and you guys are going to see here in a second. Alrighty, so we're on the next day of me actually trying to put these bad boys on. So I noticed there's a lot of imperfections in the metal, and I'm probably going to use a way thicker filler primer on this one. I'm also going to get the holes drilled 1, 2, 3, so that we can actually mount these things where they're supposed to go. I'll show you guys a little mock-up before they're done. Oh geez. Over here wrecking the SEMA truck. But anyways, they're gonna go here. I think it's just a cool plate to have. That's pretty much what it's gonna look like in there. And then once the rock lights are on and it's painted white, they're gonna light up. It's gonna light up real good. So I'm gonna get these things in the booth, and then I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So we have these things all primered up. So if you can see, I drilled the holes. I already have the rivets for them, and as soon as I get the actual paint to put on these things, they're gonna be paint matched to the truck. I probably should have got them actually powder coated, but we're gonna do paint for now, and if anything happens with the paint, I'm just gonna go with powder coat. But for now, it's gonna be paint. And by the way, I have no idea if you guys can tell. I'm actually excited to be able to tell. I just got a whole new vlog set up in the middle of this video. So I'm recording right now on my new, probably permanent for at least years, if I continue to do this for years, vlog setup. So how's the quality on this thing? Hopefully you guys can hear me better. I have an external microphone. I have a whole new, it's recording in 4K 60 FPS, so this thing should be actually amazing. So from the newer videos onwards, I'm going to be recording on this bad boy, and for the most part it's looking like it's pretty good. So all right, I'm gonna go get some paint. I want to paint these things up for you guys, and then we're gonna install them on the truck and see how these things look. We are now officially painted up, paint matched to our GM white. So check us out, check us out. So pretty much my method of putting these on, I pretty much drilled 3 holes in this thing. I don't know if you guys are actually doing this and that's why you're on the video, but I probably tell it something stupid and a joke. But anyways, if you guys wanted to know, I found some white rivets. We do construction. It's something we got, I guess. And pretty much the white rivets are going to sit in there and be already painted to white, like my hands, holy moly. Pretty much we're gonna have it painted to white. It's gonna be pretty seamless. The rivets are obviously gonna be seen, but I think that's fine. But before we get to that, if you guys are new to this channel and you guys clicked on this video, this is my 2006 Cateye Silverado. It's a 1500. Obviously I'll have a Duramax at a later point in my life. And that's the plan. So pretty much we're on 20 by 12s and 2-inch spacers. The thing is about as wide as a 1500 is going to get. I have a whole bunch of paint match everywhere. I just recently paint matched this front grille, did the emblem over, these tow mirrors, a whole bunch of stuff. If you guys are any sort of interested in this, consider subscribing to the channel. If you guys want to follow my socials, I'm also thedon.87 on every single social media. Instagram is my most popular thing that I update the most on, so if you guys want to check me out there. But other than that, we're going to get into installing these things, and I'll get you guys a little cinematic or something to show you guys what it actually looks like on the truck. So all right, so we had some complications. So pretty much when I was riveting these things on, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't have my light on my vlog set up right now, but pretty much these rivets, when I was using the rivet gun, I popped them and they went and hit all my fresh paint. So now it looks butched, so I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna go get them powder coated because paint just isn't gonna hold up on something like this. It's underneath the wheel well. It's gonna get smoked with rocks and whatever else is gonna be on the road. So, but for the most part, we have it installed. So these things look absolutely killer. They are rocking in our rear fender wells. It's a nice touch. Hopefully I get a little more lifted soon, but for now, honestly, not too bad. So I'm gonna throw some cinematics for you guys to check them out right here. Make these things look real nice for you guys. Alrighty, so that is going to conclude our video. These things look insane. I can't be happier with how they turned out, besides the fact that I messed up the paint, but we're not going to talk about that. But realistically, these things look actually killer. I definitely dig it. Usually when I'm lifted, it's going to be a lot better and a lot more visible. Right now, we are not that high. We're only on a 2.5 inch, 3 inch lift. Very small blocks in the rear. But with that being said, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing to the channel. Our next video is going to be a custom show tip for this thing. I might buy my buddy's old one, or I might buy myself a new one. If I buy myself a new one, it's a $300 tip to get rid of this crusty Amazon tip that we definitely don't enjoy that much, especially because it's rusting, and who wants rust? So we're going to be getting a painted one of those. But if you guys want to keep up on anything, if you guys want to see anything before YouTube, because YouTube is only updated once a week, if I even make a video that week, you guys can check me out at thedon.87 on every social. That is Instagram, Twitter. I don't really post on Twitter at all, like literally never. So, but TikTok and Instagram are the two things that I do kind of post on relatively, mostly Instagram. So if you guys are going to follow one thing, it's going to be Instagram if you guys want to see anything related to this truck. But with that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.